Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So as you might be aware already, this is not a PowerPoint lecture. We already did that. We went over chapter 9 already a few weeks back, but this is a continuation of chapter 9. We're talking about health literacy instead of health communication. So how to help patients understand their healthcare challenges, explaining things in a way that they understand, because there's a lot of details, especially surrounding healthcare, and it can be very confusing. I want you to make sure you watch the TED Talk that I posted. It's about 12 minutes long. I'm looking forward to seeing your discussion post about that. And then also make sure you're able to log in and watch Judy Will's lecture, which is a great lecture about health literacy. This is not something that you're going to see on a test. This is kind of an extra chapter that we wanted to, or an extra module that we wanted to make sure you understood, because it's so critical in healthcare communication. If you have any questions, of course, don't hesitate to reach out, but make sure you watch those two videos, as they will be our lecture for this module. Thanks so much.